Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandor. What we are discussing today? We are discussing our 10th class first chapter. What is that? Real number. Okay. In that we are completing up to that what we are completing? We are completing exercise 1.4. Okay. In exercise 1.5 also we are completing the first bit. In second bit also we are completing the 4 problems. Today we are discussing about the fifth problem. What is that? Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay. Here can you see here base is there? There is no base, means that we also cannot consider the formula in the base. Okay. Without base we are taking the formula. Okay ma'am. In formula also we are not consider, we cannot consider the base also. In formula we have to neglect the base, just we have to take the values. Okay, we have to take the formula without base. Okay, for this problem. Okay, what is that? Log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay, what we have to find? We have to, this value we have to write in the form of log n, means we have to, this log value is there nama, this log value we have to form a log n, means single log we have to find. Okay, let's see. This is your answer. What is the question? Thus I am writing here log 10 plus 2 log 3 minus log 2. Okay, we have to find the values of log n in the form of log n. That's why first log 10 I am writing this as it is, but log what I am writing here just according to this formula. Okay, there is no base, that's why I am neglecting the base. Okay, what is that? Log x to the power m can be written as m into log x. Whatever power is there, just we have to write before the log. Okay, in place of log, here our expression in the form of RHS we have to convert into the LHS. For this step we have to do the reverse. Okay, we have to do the reverse. Up to that we are converting the RHS to LHS to RHS nama. But in this step we have to convert the RHS into LHS. Okay, can you understand my point? Just this expression 2 log 3 nama, 2 log 3, it is in the form of m log x. Okay, 2 log 3, it is in the form of m log s. What we have to do, just we have to convert to this form. Okay, log x to the power m. Okay, just whatever base is, whatever quotient is there, we have to take it as a power. Okay, can you understand my point? Whatever quotient is there, just quotient, we have to take it as a power. Okay, just according to this formula I am writing here. Okay, the remaining term is as it is, minus is as it is, and log 2 is as it is. Up to that clear? Just I am changing the middle term. Okay, middle term according to this formula. What the formula? Log x to the power m is equals to m log x. According to this formula I am converting the middle one. Remaining two ones is as it is. Come to the next one. Log 10 is as it is, plus is as it is. Log 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3. X square means x into x nama. Similarly, the 3 square is 3 into 3. 3 into 3. What is the 3 3s are? 9. I am writing here the remaining term is as it is, minus log 2 is as it is. Okay. Can you see the first one? First two terms. These two terms in the form of log x plus log y is equals to log x into y, means that here the log x in place of x we have 10, in place of y we have 9. Okay, this two expression, these two terms, or you can say these two expression can be written as, can be formed as log x plus log y. This expression in the form of LHS, just we have to convert the RHS. How can we convert? Just multiply the x and y nama. Log x into y means that what in the place of x what we have? Log 10 plus log 9. Okay, on the next step what we have to do? Log 10 into 9. Okay, 10 into 9 according to this formula. According to this law we can write this expression. Okay, and the remaining term is as it is, minus log 2 is as it is. Up to that clear? For this step I am writing this formula, this law. Okay, come to the next step. Log 10 9 is 90, minus log 2 is as it is. Okay, up to that clear? Again we have to use this formula. Again we have to use second one formula. What is that ma? Log x minus log y is equals to log x minus y, means that if you have the minus we are dividing the two terms. If you have the plus we have to multiply the two terms. Okay, this is the two last Okay, here in these problems we have to use these two last ma. Okay, in this step what we have to do, x minus y ma log x minus log y means that log x divided by y. Okay, similarly log 90 minus log 2 means that log 90 by 2 according to this formula ma. Up to that clear? Okay, log 90 by 2 we have to cut it ma. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 8, 2 4s are 8. How much left here? 1 means if you put it, what will happen? 0 become 10. Okay, 2 5s are 10. What is our answer ma? 45. Log 45. Okay, this is your answer ma. We are converting as a log n ma. We are at last we are converting log n like a log n means log 45. What we have to convert? We have to convert this expression in terms of only one single log na. Here I am converting with the help of law of logarithms. In this step we are using, in this problem we are using the three law of logarithm. With the help of these laws we are simplifying this problem up to what? Up to log 45, because we have to convert the given expression in the form of log n. Log n means n. What is n ma? N is any value, means that n we get, what is n? Here we get the 45, means we are converting the log this expression in the form of log 45. Okay, this bit is completed by this problem. Okay, this problem is completed ma. Let's go towards the third bit. Let's move towards the third bit ma. What is that? Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. Whatever expression is there, we have to convert in terms of x and y. If it is given that x is equals to log 3 to the base 2 and y is equals to log 5 to the base 2. Here x and y value is given, an expression also given, but that expression we have to convert in terms of x and y. Okay, we have to, at last what we get, at last we have to convert this value in terms of x and y. Let's see what is the first one question ma. Log 15 to the base 2. Okay, and x value and y value is given ma. With the help of that value we are converting this term as x in terms of x and y. Okay, complete. Okay, first one question is log 15 to the base 2. Let's see. The first one question is there na ma. With the help of x value and y value we have to convert this value. Okay, what is the x value? X value is log 3 to the base 2 and y value is log 5 to the base 2. What is our question? First one question is log 15 to the base 2. Okay, first we have to write whatever given in the question, we have to write after writing the given that log 15 to the base 2. Okay, this value this step can be written as log 2 log 15 into 3 log 15 5 into 3 to the base 2, because 5 3 is a 15 nama. This 15 I am splitting 5 into 3 because 5 3 is a 15 again now. Just this 15 we have to split it into 5 into 3. Okay, up to that clear? In this step just split ma. Okay, here we have used this formula ma. We have used the law. What is the law? Log x to the base a plus log y to the base a is equals to log x into y to the base a. Here in this step we are using this formula ma, this law. What is that? This expression, our step it in the form of RHS, we have to convert into this LHS. How? Log x to the base a. Log x, what is x ma? In place of x we have 5, in place of y we have 3. Okay, according to this formula we have to convert it. Okay ma? Log x to the base a means log 5 to the base 2. Okay, log 5 to the base 2. Plus is there, I am writing the place. What is log y to the base a means that log 3 to the base a. Just I am splitting according to the formula. Okay, this step I am splitting according to the law. Okay, what is the law? Log x to the base a plus log y to the base is equals to log x into y to the base a. According to this formula we are splitting ma. Okay, can you see after splitting what we get ma? Log 5 to the base 2 plus log 3 to the base 2. In question we are given value of x and value of y. What is the given of value of x? What is given value of x? Value of x is that log x to the base 2 na, log x to the base, log 3 to the base 2. Similarly where it is log 3 to the base. Here log 5 to the base 2, what is given? Log 5 to the base 2 is value is y. I am writing the y as y plus log 3 to the base 2. What is the log 3 to the base 2 value is x. The values of x and y is given. Just I am substituting the values of that. Okay. Y plus x can be written as x plus y. Okay. Nothing will be happen in plus condition. We can interchange the values. In plus we can interchange the value. In multiplication also we can interchange the value. In subtraction and division it will be not happen. It will change the value, but in the multiplication and addition we can interchange the value. X here y plus x number we can write it as x plus y. Okay, this is the process to find the question in terms of x and y, x plus y. Okay, what is the question? We have to convert the value in terms of x and y. I am changing that with the help of laws. Okay, can you understand? First we have to, question is there just 15. This 15 we have to split into the 5 into 3 because 5 3 is a 15 again. Okay, what is the log? Log x to the base a, log y to the base a. Okay, this value we are substituting. According to this law we are converting this step into this step. Afterward this values is this is in the form of x and y. I am substituting here. I am converting this expression in terms of x and y. We have to find evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. I am converting in terms of x and y. Let's see the second one. Okay, first one is completed. We are converting the x plus y. Second one is that log 7.5 to the base 2. Log 7.5 to the base 2 we have to convert in terms of x and y. Okay, let's see. Okay, second one question is there. Can you see what is that? Log 7.5 to the base 2. Here in power we have the decimal. With the help of decimal we cannot find anything. First we have to remove the decimal. Afterward we are substituting any law, any formulas. Okay, in decimal we don't have any formula. That's why we have to remove that decimal. Okay. First we have to deal with the 7.5. Okay, 7.5 can be written as 75 by 10 because we are removing the decimal. After decimal how many numbers is there? Only one number is there. That's why we are divided with the only 10. Okay. After cutting 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 3. Okay, I am cutting here. 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. How much left? 2 means that 25. 5 5s are 25. Means the total answer is 25 by 2. Okay, 25 by 2. Here this expression is in the form of our log. Second law, what is that? Log x by y to the base a is equals to log x to the base a minus log y to the base a. This expression, it is in the form of this law. Our expression in the form of LHS we have to convert into the RHS. Okay, what is that? Log a to the base log x to the base a means that log 15 log x to the base a means log 15 to the base 2. I am writing here minus is as it is log 2. Okay, log y to the base a log y to the base a minus log 2 to the base a, log 2 to the base a. I am converting to LHS RHS. Okay. Come to the next step. What is that? I am just splitting the 15. Here we have 15 is there. I am 15 converting. We have to convert the 15 in terms of 5 and 3. Okay, 5 3 is a 15 minus. Here we have formula log a to the base a value is 1. Similarly, log 2 to the base 2 value is 1. I am writing here. Here 1 again. We have to use the one formula. What is that? Log x into y to the base a means log x to the base a log y to the base a. Okay, log x to the base a log y to the base a. Just in place of a we have 3, in place of b we have 5. Okay, log 3 to the base 2 log 5 to the base 2 minus 1 is as it is. Here the value is given and the whole value is x and the whole value is b. In question is given just I am writing that value is minus 1. This is your answer The step is there. This is a step to find the value in terms of x and y. Okay. I am explaining the first one and second one. Third one is your homeworks and class. Try it and submit into a group till the third one. Okay. Today's class is completed. Thank you.